Well, good morning. It's Saturday, April 4th, about 20 minutes to 9 o'clock. Here's the plan. We're going to take all the parts out of this cheap, flimsy, noisy Thermaltake computer, and we're going to put it in that over there. Check out this side-by-side comparison. Now this is going to involve some mechanical work. All of these parts have to be taken out, moved over, and reassembled. And the wiring is pretty much a rat's nest. I'm going to take a series of pictures here so I can sort of remember where things went on the motherboard. I have been poring over these manuals. I've already put the I/O plate in. Okay, motherboard is in. We've attached the power extension cable up here, and now we're ready to put the power supply in. Now this baby has got a ton of wires. Out where they all go. It's good right there. Now this is just a matter of tightening some screws, but they warned not to put this thing in upside down. And there's a little offset screw to tell you that you're doing it pretty much right. Okay, power supply is in. Okay, it's 2 after 11. Everything has gone pretty well. Only one small problem. These two wires, these SATA cables, are not long enough. I'm going to have to go to the store and buy a couple. Alright, we got to go to the computer store. It's not too fun. But thank goodness they're open on Saturday. That one right there, everything is working perfectly. All I have to do now is clean up the mess. It cleans up, should.